Are you looking for the best portable toilets? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best portable toilets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Encad XL Portable Toilet. The Encad XL Portable Toilet is a great choice for camping trips and outdoor emergencies. It is made of sturdy density board and high-quality leather, making it skin-friendly and soft. It is 40% higher than many other portable camping toilets, and it holds up to 440 pounds, making it suitable for the whole family. It is easy to set up and fold in seconds, and comes with a waterproof storage bag for easy transport. Customers have found it to be sturdy and reliable, making it a great choice for camping and travel. What we like: spacious and comfortable design, lightweight and portable, sturdy construction, easy to clean, multifunctional use. What we don't like: small seat hole for larger users, material not waterproof. Number 2. Vingly Portable Toilet. The Vingly Portable Toilet is a lightweight and compact solution for indoor and outdoor use. It features a detachable inner bucket for easy cleanup and less odor, a higher seat height for comfort, and a sturdy construction with anti-slip lines. It is ideal for camping, boating, fishing, road trips, healthcare, and more. Customers have noted that the plastic could be thicker, the bucket could be deeper, and the toilet paper holder is too small. What we like: sturdy and stylish design, compact and portable, easy to clean and empty, comfortable seating experience, good for various situations. What we don't like: somewhat flimsy for larger users, narrow paper holder. Number 3. SereneLife Portable Toilet. The SereneLife Portable Toilet is a convenient, compact, and portable solution for your camping, caravan, or trailer vacation needs. It features a large capacity of up to 120 flushes, a leak-proof and odorless design, and is crafted from high-density, premium-quality polyethylene for a corrosion-resistant travel toilet. Customers have found it to be sturdy, big enough for comfort, and perfect for avoiding common areas during the pandemic. What we like: easy setup and cleanup, sturdy and secure design, effective odor control, compact and portable, good height and bowl size. What we don't like: potential quality issues over time, missing accessories and packaging. Number 4. Hapoon XL Portable Folding Toilet. The Hapoon camping toilet is a sturdy portable option made of premium ABS plastic, capable of holding up to 400 pounds. Its extra-large size provides more comfort with a higher and wider seat than many others. Setting up and folding down this toilet is quick and easy, making it convenient to use. Additionally, its multifunctionality allows it to be used outdoors or indoors for various purposes. The toilet is compatible with 8-gallon bags for easy cleanup, ensuring a tidy experience for your outdoor activities. What we like: sturdy and durable construction, compact and easy to store, great for camping and travel, easy setup and portability, includes liner bags and accessories. What we don't like: smell containment could be improved, lid may fall off when bumped. Number 5. Axidu Portable Travel Toilet. The Axidu travel toilet is designed for your convenience, whether you're camping or at home. Made from high-quality PP materials, it offers a sturdy and smooth surface, ensuring stability during use. You'll appreciate the double-sealed lids that keep waste contained and odors at bay. Cleaning is a breeze with the removable inner bucket featuring a handle, allowing you to maintain hygiene effortlessly. Plus, the detachable toilet paper holder adds versatility, serving as a mobile phone seat when needed, making your outdoor experience even more comfortable. What we like: holds odors inside well, easy to clean, sturdy construction, convenient for travel, lightweight and portable. What we don't like: assembly can be confusing, height may be insufficient,